Luna, I have to fry for you, Luna. What is it? Why could you tell me the name? Why? Guys, it's lovely. It's lovely. What the heck? It's lovely.